if you're diving into the world of barbering and need the perfect tools to start your journey. This video is for you. After testing countless clippers, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 best clippers for beginner barbers in 2024. These clippers are chosen based on their ease of use, durability, and performance, making them ideal for anyone just starting out. So, if you're eager to find out which clippers will help you master your craft, stay until the end. Remember, the products are not in any specific order, so make sure to keep watching until the end so you don't miss anything. Also, all the links to find the best prices for the products in this video are in the description. Let's begin. First off, you're getting 2 tools in one here. A main clipper for your basic cuts and a T-blade trimmer for detail work. The T-blade gets super close, like 0.08 millimeters close, which really helps when you're trying to get those clean edges around the EARS and neckline. I found this especially useful when working on fades. The carbon steel blade is pretty impressive too. I've used ceramic blades before, and while they're good, these carbon ones just feel smoother through the hair. No snagging, no pulling, just clean cuts. The motor's also surprisingly quiet, which is great when you're working with kids or anyone who gets nervous around loud clippers. Here's what really got me excited: the battery life. You can get about 4 hours of continuous use on a single charge. I've done multiple cuts back to back without having to worry about recharging, which is huge when you're learning, and it takes a bit longer with each cut. Now, let's keep it real. There are a couple of things that could be better. The USB charging isn't ideal if you're used to traditional charging stations, and that first charge takes longer than I'd like. But honestly, for what you're getting, these are pretty minor issues. For the price point, these clippers perform really well. They might not have all the bells and whistles of the $200 plus models, but they definitely get the job done, especially if you're just starting out. I've seen beginners get some really clean cuts with these, and that's what matters at the end of the day. The Hyena Pro Cordless Hair Clippers Kit has really stood out to me this year. If you've ever been frustrated by loud clippers that lack versatility, you'll appreciate this model. It offers adjustable blades and a variety of combs, making it easy to switch between different hair lengths. Plus, the light-emitting diode display is a game changer, showing you exactly how much battery life you have left, so you won't be caught off guard with clippers dying mid-cut. One of the most convenient features is the universal serial bus charging capability. You can charge virtually anywhere, which is perfect for beginners practicing in various locations. However, if you're planning on long cutting sessions, it's wise to keep the charger nearby, as the battery life isn't as long-lasting as some high-end models. Another aspect I love about these clippers is how quietly they operate. If you're practicing at home, your family won't be bothered by the typical loud buzzing of cheaper clippers. This quiet operation makes a significant difference when you're honing your skills. The kit includes nearly everything you need to start: guards, scissors, and more. Considering the price, the build quality is impressive. It feels sturdy in your hands, though it is a bit heavier than you might expect. It took me a few days to get accustomed to handling all the attachments, but once you find your rhythm, it's pretty straightforward. To be honest, while the Hyena Pro isn't flawless, it offers excellent value for the price. It's dependable enough for mastering the basics and versatile enough to help you explore various cutting techniques. If you're just beginning and are ready to invest heavily in professional equipment, this is definitely worth considering. Check out the description below for all the details and current pricing. Let's dive into the Glaker Cordless Hair Clippers KIT, a solid choice for those new to barbering or cutting hair at home. If you've ever dealt with clippers that tug at hair or lose power mid-cut, this kit tackles those issues head-on. One standout feature is its dual functionality as both a clipper and a trimmer. With an adjustable fade lever and a dozen guard combs, you have plenty of styling options at your fingertips. The motor is quite impressive, operating at 6,500 revolutions per minute, ensuring a smooth cut without any snagging. When you're just starting out, having dependable power is a game changer. The battery life is another pleasant surprise. It offers around 2.5 hours of continuous use, so you won't be constantly recharging between haircuts. The light-emitting diode display is particularly handy, letting you know exactly how much battery is left and when it's time to oil the blades. However, there are a couple downsides to note. It's a bit inconvenient that the charging adapter isn't included in the box. You'll need to purchase that separately. Also, while the trimmer is adequate for basic lineups, it might not be precise enough for intricate detailing. If you're planning to use it extensively throughout the day, be aware that the battery might not last as long as some high-end models. Despite these minor drawbacks. The kit offers excellent value for its price. It handles most haircuts effectively and feels comparable to more expensive options. If you're just starting out or need a reliable tool for home use, this is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description for more details and the current price. Let's dive into the Fadiking cordless hair clippers. After putting these clippers through their paces for several weeks, it's clear why they're gaining traction among novice barbers and home stylists alike. First off, the battery performance is truly remarkable, with about 5 hours of use on a single charge, which takes roughly 2.5 hours to replenish. You can complete several haircuts without needing to recharge. This is crucial because nothing disrupts a haircut more than clippers running out of juice mid-session. The motor is another highlight, efficiently cutting through thick hair while maintaining a quiet operation. If you've ever dealt with budget clippers, you know how irritating a loud buzz can be. These clippers offer a much more pleasant experience. In terms of construction, the zinc alloy body feels robust and comfortable to hold, even during extended cutting sessions. I found that my hand didn't tire easily, which is a big plus for beginners who might take longer to finish a cut. The package contents are also worth mentioning. It includes 9 guide combs, a pair of scissors, and a barber cape, providing everything you need to start cutting right away. However, it's not without its flaws. The T-blade attachment could use some improvement for detailed work. I often found myself reaching for a separate trimmer. It's something to consider if precision is a priority for you. Regarding cost, while it's not the most budget-friendly option, investing a bit more in your first set of clippers can save you from having to replace a cheaper pair soon after. Overall, the Fadiking clippers are a dependable choice for those new to hair cutting. They're user-friendly, reliable, and come with all the essentials to begin honing your skills. For more information and the latest pricing, check out the link in the description. The Romanda cordless hair clippers set has truly impressed me as a top pick for novice barbers in 2024. After putting these clippers to the test, I can confidently say that the stainless steel blades are a standout feature, delivering smooth cuts without the tugging you often experience with less expensive options. One of the highlights of this set is the detailed trimmer. It includes an adjustable taper lever ranging from 0.8 to 2 millimeters, providing excellent control for achieving precise fades and blends. If you're new to intricate styling, this feature will be invaluable for creating sharp lines and seamless transitions. The battery performance is another strong point. You get around 4 hours of operation from a 3-hour charge, which is ample time for multiple haircuts. The LED display is a lifesaver, showing you the remaining battery life and preventing those awkward moments when your clippers unexpectedly power down mid-cut. However, it's important to mention a couple of areas that could be improved. The plastic body, while functional, lacks the premium feel some might prefer. Additionally, if you're accustomed to American clippers, the guide comb sizes may take some getting used to. What really took me by surprise is the motor's quiet operation. Despite its robust 6,800 revolutions per minute power, cleaning is also a breeze, thanks to the IPX7 waterproof rating, allowing you to rinse the clippers under running water, saving you valuable time after each use. Considering the complete package, clippers, attachments, and accessories, this set is a fantastic choice for beginners or even for home use. It's a reliable tool that offers great value for what you pay. If you're interested in checking out the current price and more details, I've included a link in the description.